Hey there, dog lovers, it's Sandy, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to every dog owner's heart, their furry friend's appetite. You know, a healthy appetite is a clear sign of a happy dog. But what happens when your usually ravenous pup suddenly turns their nose up at their food bowl? It can be concerning, right? Today we're uncovering 5 unexpected things that can cause dogs to lose their appetite. So stick around, because understanding these hidden culprits can help you keep your canine companion happy, healthy, and well-fed. You see, just like humans, dogs experience stress and anxiety too. They're creatures of habit, and any disruption to their routine can trigger feelings of unease. Imagine your dog as a mirror reflecting your own energy. If you're stressed, your dog will sense it. They're incredibly intuitive, picking up on subtle cues like changes in your tone of voice, body language, even your scent. Now think about the things that might cause stress in a dog's world. It could be a new baby in the house, a move to a new home, loud noises like fireworks or thunderstorms, or even the absence of a beloved family member. These changes can rock their world, leaving them feeling anxious and unsure. When a dog experiences stress, their body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are part of the fight or flight response, an ancient survival mechanism designed to help them cope with danger. But here's the thing, when a dog is in this heightened state of alert, their digestive system takes a back seat. Their body prioritizes survival over things like digestion, so their appetite plummets. So if you notice your dog suddenly refusing food, take a moment to consider if any recent changes or stressful events might be the culprit. By addressing the root cause of their anxiety, you'll not only help them regain their appetite, but also improve their overall well-being. Dogs are creatures of habit, finding comfort in the familiar rhythms of their day-to-day lives. They thrive on routine, knowing when to expect their walks, their meals, their playtime, and their cuddles. So when their routine is disrupted, it can throw their whole world off balance, leading to confusion, anxiety, and yes, even a loss of appetite. Imagine this. You've just moved into a new home. Everything is unfamiliar, the sights, the sounds, the smells. You're still unpacking boxes, trying to find your favorite coffee mug, and feeling a bit disoriented yourself. Now imagine experiencing all of that through your dog's senses. Their heightened sense of smell, their acute hearing, their sensitivity to even the slightest changes in their environment. It's a lot to take in, right? No wonder they might not feel like eating. They're too busy trying to make sense of their new surroundings, establish their territory, and figure out their place in this new pack hierarchy. The same goes for changes in their daily schedule. If you've recently switched jobs or your work hours have changed, your dog might be feeling the effects of your absence. They're used to having you around at certain times, and now their internal clock is all out of whack. Or maybe you've started a new exercise routine that's cut into their walk time. Even seemingly small changes like these can disrupt their sense of normalcy and lead to a loss of appetite. The key here is to introduce changes gradually, allowing your dog to adjust at their own pace. If you're moving to a new home, try to bring familiar items that carry their scent, like their bed, their favorite toys, or even a blanket that smells like you. This will help create a sense of familiarity and comfort in the new environment. With a little love, patience, and consistency, you can help your furry friend navigate these changes and regain their appetite. Chapter 3. Silent suffering. When dental issues take a bite out of appetite. We often associate a hearty appetite with good health, but sometimes a dog's reluctance to eat can signal something more is going on. One often overlooked culprit is dental problems. Just like us, dogs can experience a range of dental issues, from gum disease and tooth decay to broken teeth and oral infections. And just like us, these issues can be painful, making it uncomfortable, even unbearable for them to eat. Imagine trying to enjoy your favorite meal with a throbbing toothache or a sore, inflamed gum line. It's not a pleasant experience, right? Now, imagine not being able to communicate that pain to anyone. That's what it's like for our canine companions. They can't tell us when their mouth hurts, so they often suffer in silence. And one of the most telling signs is a sudden loss of appetite. Think about it. Chewing is a fundamental part of eating, and when it becomes associated with pain, it's only natural for a dog to avoid it. They might be hesitant to open their mouths wide. They might drop food from their mouth while eating, or they might paw at their face as if trying to tell you something's wrong. Here are a few telltale signs that your dog might be experiencing dental problems. Bad breath. While dog breath isn't always the most pleasant aroma, persistent bad breath can be a sign of dental disease. Excessive drooling. Drooling is normal, but if you notice your dog drooling more than usual, especially when they're not around food, it could be a sign of dental pain. Red or swollen gums. Healthy gums should be pink, so if you notice redness, swelling, or bleeding along the gum line, it's essential to have your dog's mouth checked by a veterinarian. Loose or broken teeth. Just like humans, dogs can chip, crack, or break their teeth. These injuries can be painful and require veterinary attention. By addressing dental problems promptly and practicing good dental hygiene at home, you can help prevent future issues and ensure your furry friend enjoys a lifetime of happy, healthy eating. Chapter 4. Hidden culprits, medications, and their effect on appetite. We rely on medications to help us feel better when we're under the weather, and the same goes for our canine companions. Just like certain medications can cause side effects in humans, they can also affect our dogs, and one of the most common side effects is a decrease in appetite. Think about it. Medications work by interacting with the body's systems, and sometimes, these interactions can have unintended consequences. The digestive system is particularly sensitive to these interactions, and medications can disrupt its delicate balance, leading to nausea, upset stomach, and a general feeling of malaise, all of which can put a damper on your dog's appetite. It's important to remember that every dog is different, and what causes side effects in one dog might not affect another. Some dogs might experience a mild decrease in appetite, while others might refuse to eat altogether. The severity of the side effects can also vary depending on the type of medication, the dosage, and the dog's overall health. Here are a few common types of medications that can potentially cause a loss of appetite in dogs. Antibiotics. While antibiotics are essential for fighting bacterial infections, they can also disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut, leading to digestive upset and a decrease in appetite. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. NSAIDs like ibuprofen and carprofen are commonly used to manage pain and inflammation, but they can also irritate the stomach lining, causing nausea and a loss of appetite. Chemotherapy drugs. Chemotherapy drugs are powerful medications used to treat cancer, but they can also have a wide range of side effects, including nausea, vomiting, and a decrease in appetite. If you notice your dog's appetite has decreased after starting a new medication, it's important to contact your veterinarian. They can help determine if the medication is the culprit, and if necessary, adjust the dosage or switch to a different medication with fewer side effects. Chapter 5. Listen to your dog's whispers. Loss of appetite as a red flag. A dog's appetite can be a valuable indicator of their overall health. While a sudden disinterest in food can sometimes be due to stress or a change in routine, it can also signal something more serious. Think of it as your dog's way of whispering, "Hey, something's not quite right." Dogs can experience medical conditions that manifest as a loss of appetite. These conditions range from minor ailments like infections to serious issues like organ disease and cancer. Often, loss of appetite is accompanied by symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, or weight loss. Dogs are masters of disguise when it comes to pain and illness. They instinctually mask signs of weakness, a survival mechanism from their wild ancestry. By the time you notice a significant change, like a loss of appetite, the condition may have progressed. If your dog's loss of appetite persists for more than 24 hours, seek veterinary attention immediately. Outro bon appétit, keeping your dog's appetite healthy. As we've learned, a dog's appetite can be a fickle thing influenced by a surprising array of factors. From the subtle whispers of stress and anxiety to the more alarming roars of underlying medical conditions, it's essential to pay attention to any changes in your dog's eating habits and address them promptly. By understanding the potential triggers and recognizing the warning signs, you can help ensure your furry friend receives the care they need to thrive. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to your veterinarian. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friends healthy and happy.